So, Raider 150 Domino Honeywell switch installation. Yung function niya, so, passing, So, passing niya kombi ng headlight tsaka ng MDL. So, stock horn. Stock horn niya, kasama pa rin yung MDL sa passing. Tapos, park light. Park light, kasama tail light, signal light. Signal light, so, kapila. Tapos, hazard. Then, off mo muna yung signal light. Tapos, hazard. Tapos, headlight. Headlight low, headlight high. So, yan. Yung headlight niya, tsaka park light, may sarili parehas. May sarili silang switch. So, ito. Ito, para sa kanyang park light. So, dito naman, kasi yung version 2 ng Honeywell switch. So, yun. Yung meron on-off ng headlight. So, off, on, high. Yan. Tapos, ito yung kanyang horn. Horn with passing. MDA low, passing, MDA high, passing. So, may separation din na passing para naman sa headlight tsaka MDL. Yan. Kombi na passing. Tapos, push start niya. Ito yung push start. So, all in na sa isang switch lang. Lahat nandito na ng function, mga sir. Domino Honeywell switch installation to Suzuki Raider 150 car.